Good day, sir. I am Alexa with Pisumido and my task is to answer the question number 33 and 38. The question number 33 is, a triangle having sides, square root of 31, square root of 33, and 8 units is inscribed in a circle. Find the circumference of the circle. Square root of 31, square root of 33 plus 8 equals 8 pi. So the circumference is 8 pi. Question number 38. In how many ways can 4 different books be arranged on a shelf? This is a permutation problem. We have 4 distinct books and 4 positions on the shelf. The number of ways to arrange n distinct objects in n position is n factorial. In this case, n equals 4. Number of arrangements equals 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. There are 24 ways to arrange the 4 different books on the shelf. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I am Eliza Rica Chimocrayo, and my task is to answer question number 43. So our question is, a community of 6 members is to be formed from 7 barangay A residents and 9 barangay B residents. So our problem here is, how many communities can be formed if there should be 3 members chosen from each barangay? So, to solve for our problem, let us use the formula C, quantity of n and k, is equal to n factorial over k factorial and quantity of n minus k factorial. So, let us determine our given from barangay A and B. So, our given in barangay A is n is equal to 7, which is the number of residents. K is equal to 3, which is the number of members to choose. And barangay B, our given is n is equal to 9, which is the number of residents, and k is equal to 3, the number of members to choose. Same lang yapon sa barangay A ang k. So, let us solve first for our barangay A. So, to solve for our barangay A, as I've said previously, nagamitin na to ang formula na C, quantity of n and k is equal to n factorial over k factorial and quantity of n minus k factorial. So, ato i-substitute ang ilang mga value, which is ang n kay sa barangay A kay 7 and ang k kay 3. So, C, quantity of 7 and 3 is equal to 7 factorial over 3 factorial and quantity of 7 minus 3 factorial. So, atong na-copy ang 7 factorial and 3 factorial. So, dayon ang quantity of 7 minus 3 factorial is equal to 4 factorial. So, 7 factorial over 3 factorial and 4 factorial. So, ato din silang so, ang meaning man sa factorial kay i-times siya sa paubo. So, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. So, factorial. So, atong isama na sa 4 kay para makancel lang ni 4. So, pagkahuman, ang mabilin, 7 times 6 times 5. Then, sa ubos dayo, ang mabilin kay 3. So, ato na nagyapon ikaw ni factorial. So, 3 times 2 times 1. So, ang 7 times 6 times 5 kay equals to 210, and 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. So, 210 divided by 6 is equal to 35. So, our C in quantity of 7 and 3 is equal to 35. And now, let us solve for our barangay B. So, pareha na po na formula itong gamiton. So, C, quantity of n and k is equal to n factorial over k factorial and quantity of n minus k factorial. So, ato na i-substitute ang ilahang given value. So, C, quantity of 9 and 3 is equal to 9 factorial over 3 factorial and quantity of 9 minus 3 factorial. So, pareha lang po na ito. Una, ato lang i-copy ang ang 9 factorial and ang 3 factorial. So, dayon ang 9 quantity of 9 minus 3 factorial is equal to 6 factorial. So, ato na po, since factorial man siya, ato na equal ng 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. So, makancel lang atong 6 factorial, mahimo na siya og 3 factorial lang yang over. So, 9 times 8 times 7 over 3 times 2 times 1. So, 9 times 8 times 7 is equal to 504. And 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. So, 504 divided by 6 is equal to 84. So, our C quantity of 9 and 3 is equal to 84. Good day, sir. I am back again and this is my final task. So, question number 48. So, our problem here is among 50 employees of a company, 30 are women. Half of the men wear glasses, while only a third of the women wear glasses. So, our question here is, what is the probability that a randomly selected employee is a man or wears glasses? So, to solve for a problem, let us determine first the given. So, ang total number of employees nato kay 50, while number of women is 30. Then, ang number of men kay ato i-minus lang ang atong total employee o total of women. So, 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Then, ang atong number of men nga nag-wear glasses kay ato lang i-divide ang ilang total number sa 2, since giingon man sa given nga kanang half of the men wears glasses. So, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Then, ang number of women with glasses, ato lang yapong i-divide si 30, pero 3 kay since nag-iman nga third lang sa women ang a third lang ang nag-wear sa glasses sa women. So, 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Then, ang ato dayong number of people with glasses, kay ato lang i-add si number of men with glasses and number of women with glasses. So, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So, atong number of people with glasses kay 20. So, ato na i-solve ang pautan na ganina na what is the probability that a randomly selected employee is a man or wears glasses. So, una aksa i-solve ang total of men or of people with glasses. So, ato lang na gamiton ang kuan, ato lang i-add ang number of men plus number of people with glasses. Dayon, minus dayon sa number of men with glasses. So, ang number of men kay 20, then number of people with glasses kay 20 gapon. Then number of men with glasses kay 10. So 20 plus 20 minus 10 is equal to 30. Then ang probability that a randomly employee is a man or wears glasses. So P is equal to number of men or people with glasses over total number of employees. So, number of men or people with glasses kay 30. Kaya ito naman nag-solve ko ganina. So, nara nga ito ang total. Dayon, total number of employees kay 50 man. So, 50 ang ato ibutang. So, 30 over 50 is equal to 0.6 or 60%. So, RP equals to 0.6 or 60%. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, sir. My name is Aishima James Calvo from Group 1. My task is to answer the question number 22. So the question is, find the center of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus x plus 8x minus 14y plus 60 equals to 0. So this is the equation x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 14y plus 60 equals to 0. So, first is, we will arrange the equation. X squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 14y equals to negative 60. Kaya i-transpose mo na ito siya from positive to negative. Kaya itama po na ito siya sa equals. So, may mo siya negative 60. So, ang first na ito mabatan para makuha na ito sa pag-solve na ito kay kapiyan na ito ang x squared dari plus 8x plus 16. Nakuha na ito ang 16 kay ang half sa 8 is 4. So, ang 4 i-multiply natin siya by itself. So, 4 times 4 equals to 16. Tapos, plus y squared minus 14y equals to negative 60 plus 16. Sunod na yun, kaya ako nagyap na siya kapiyon. X squared plus 8x so 16 plus quantity of y squared minus 14y plus 49. So mga tanong mo, asa ako ang 49, di pares na po natin siya sa 16 na ang katunga sa negative 14 is which is negative 7. So, negative 7 multiplied by itself. So, negative 7 times negative 7 equals to positive 49. So, equals to negative 60 plus 16 plus 49. So, ato lang din siyang gisimplified. So, din siya x plus 4 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals to 5k. Negative 60 plus 16 plus 49 equals to 5. So, ang 5 mo, ang radius, tapos, ang negative 4 kay ang x, tapos ang 7 is ang y. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I am Kizzy Natalie Maglinaw, and my task is to answer number 28. So, number 28. In angle ABC, AB is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 4 and angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Find BC. So, BC squared equals AB squared plus AC squared minus AB times AC times cosine A. So, we substitute the value of AB, AC, and A. So, the value of AB is 3, the value of AC is 4, and the value of A is 60 degrees. So, BC squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 3 times 4 times cosine 60 degrees. So, 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 4 squared is equal to 16 minus 3 times 4 is 12 times cosine 60 degrees is equal to 0.5. So, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 and negative 12 times 0.5 is 6. So, we simply just subtract 25 and 6. So, we get 13. So, BC is equal to square root 13. And that's all. Thank you.
So my task is question number 3. With our given formula, which is the arithmetic series formula n equals L minus 8 over d plus 1, where the first term 63 is the first multiple of 7 greater or equal to 60, and our common difference 595, which is the last multiple of less than or equal to 600, and our last term, which is our common difference, is 7. So our solution now is n equals 593 minus 63 over 7 plus 1. So 593 minus 63 is equal to 532 over 7 plus 1. So 532 over 7 or divided by 7 is equal to 76 plus 1, which gives us the answer of 77. So our n now is equals to 77. Thank you!
Good day, sir. I am Federica Dos Quicadas from Group 4, and I'm here to answer the assigned number, which is number 13. So, the question is, if p of x cubed is equal to 4x raised to the power of 9 minus 7x raised to the power of 6 plus 2x cubed plus 37, find p of x. Since we're trying to find p of x instead of px squared cubed, we need the function x instead of x cubed. Notice that the exponent at our given function 4x raised to the power of 9 can be also be written as 3 times 3 or as x cubed raised to the power of 3. Negative 7 equals negative 7x to the raised to the power of 6 can be also be written as 3 times 2 or as x cubed raised to the power of 2. Then 2x cubed is fine as it is if it's there as x cubed. Then 27 stays constant. It stays constant. Then we need to find, since we're trying to find x, we need to replace all the x cubed of this into x. So x cubed raised to the power of 3 is equal to 4x cubed. Then negative 7 times x cubed raised to the power squared is negative 7 x cubed squared. Then 2x cubed is equal to 2x. Then 27 stays constant, so 27. So our answer is p of x equals 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 37.
Good day, sir. I am February Liawing from Group 4 and I was tasked to answer problem number 18. So our problem is if p of negative 2 is a third degree polynomial and p of negative 2 is equal to p of positive 2 is equal to p of negative 1 is equal to 0 and p of 1 is equal to 18, find p of 3. So p of negative 2 is equal to p of positive 2 equals to p of negative 1 equals to 0. So x plus 2, x minus 2, and x plus 1 are the factors of p of 2. So p of 2 is equal to a times x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. And p of 1 is equal to 18. So we are just going to substitute it. So it's going to be p of 2 is equal to a times 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 18. So after we times it all, it's going to be negative 6a equals 1. 18. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 6. So negative 6a divided by negative 6 is going to be positive a. And then 18 divided by negative 6 is negative 3. So so the answer is p of 2 equals negative 3 plus x times x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. So we need to find p of 3. So we are just going to substitute x as 3. So p of 3 is equals to negative 3 times 3 plus 2 times 3 minus 2 times 3 plus 1. So after that, p of 3 is going to be negative 3 times 20. And then negative 3 times 20 is going to be negative 60. So our p of 3 is equal to negative 60. That's all.
Hi, sir. As an imposter, I will explain here now the figure number 8, which is the first and sixth terms of a geometric sequence are 4 and negative 8 respectively. Find the fourth term. So we have here our a sub 1 equals 4 and a sub 6 is equal to negative 1 8. So we have our formula, our general formula, which is a sub n equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. And to arrive in this figure, we are going to substitute. Our a sub n is equal to 1 over 8 equals 4, which is our a sub 1, r, and the n minus 1 here because, why is it 5? It is because 6, we are going to minus the 6 minus 1, and that gives us the answer of 5. So negative 1/8 is equal to 4r raised to the power 5. And in this figure, we're going to multiply 4 by 8. So 4 times 8 is equal to 32, and the r here, the r raised to the power of 5 will go to the right side. The r raised to the power of 5 equals negative 132. There. So the 5 here, we're going to put it down and give us the sign there. The root sign. 5, the fifth root of 32, the fifth root of 32 is 2. So there. The r remain and equal to negative 1/2 because we find the fifth root of 32, which is 2. So in this figure, a sub 4 equals 4, which is there, the 1/2 there. So we have cube. So we are going to find the cube root of 2, which is 8. Then 1 follow, which gives us the answer negative. Don't forget the sign. So which give us the answer negative 1/8. So we have 4 and times negative 1/8. And so we are going to times or multiply this there. That gives us the answer negative 4/8. And we are going to simplify this negative 4/8, which gives us the answer, the final answer. Final answer, negative 1/2. Thank you very much.